Today we're doing an Italian Spritz. It's a very classic cocktail. We build it in the glass using Contratto, which is the brand, their Aperitif, which is a bitter red liqueur, a little less bitter than other Italian liqueurs. We're using prosecco. Feel free to use any type of bubbles that you have though. And then an optional top of soda water. So if you'd like a little lower ABV to your drink, feel free to top with a little bit of, again, this is Topo Chico though. This is the brand. You can use any brand of soda water that you wish. So the specs are usually 1.25 ounces of the red bitter liqueur. If you wanted to go a little heavier, feel free. You can go 1.5, 2 ounces. What's kind of beautiful about this, it's all up to your taste, right? So for this, we're gonna be doing the 1.25. So if you're using a Japanese jigger, use the small side. Fill it all the way up to the top. Dump, and then about halfway, a little less than half, for the 2.5. We're gonna top it off with the Italian bubbles, where the spritz portion comes into play. And again, if you wanna do it a little more diluted, if you wanted a little lower ABV for a more sippable and sessionable cocktail, feel free to top off with a little bit of soda water. Don't forget the lemon peel. This is a really important component. If you do not have a peeler, you can use a knife. You want to go for the pith though, so you don't want to dig too deep. The pith being the white part. If you want to trim it to make it pretty, feel free to cut any of the rough edges off. Now you want to express it into the glass. You want to express it with the peel side out. It's where the oils lie. On the inside, again, it's pith, it's bitter. So we want to make sure that we get the oils and the juices flowing. See that spritz? And then if you want to take it on the outside and rub it around the rim, it's going to release all these beautiful orange aromatics, because you drink with your nose too. Afterwards, you can just drop it into the glass and you have your spritz. Et voila.